What is up, guys? Hopefully you guys are doing well today. Welcome back to Run My Crypto. Please excuse my voice and my face. You know what happens. Us influencers have to do this every day as much as we possibly can, and we do it even when we are sick. That's right, guys. We work when we are sick. Anyway, so I am going to be chatting about today is Ethereum. Can we hit $10,000? And we're going to cover all the basis of why I personally believe that Ethereum will hit $10,000 and do it with ease, guys. Okay, so the next up and coming bull run 2025, we will see Ethereum be at $10,000, and it's very easy to achieve. So if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys hit that like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and then hit that bell notification if you guys want to see more videos like this. We are going to get into it, guys. Ethereum, $10,000 per Ethereum token. Is this possible? Absolutely, guys. Let's dive into it, okay? All right, let's go. All right, guys, let's get into it. What is the hottest news for Ethereum? All right, so let's look at that. What is it? And it is, aside from a great business that Ethereum has built, a unique blockchain, and definitely a blockchain that many use. All right, so what is that hot item for Ethereum? And it is Ethereum actually pushing its way into the big player zone, which is Ethereum ETF. All right, so they're looking to launch the ETF for Ethereum Future, which is basically pushing their way into the door with the Ethereum ETF. Now, how did this all come about? Well, there's a company called Volatility Shares. Well, they offered up I guess it would be a submittal to get Ethereum into the ETF future space. So we all know that Bitcoin had pushed their way through to get into the ETF world, and huge companies like BlackRock, Fidelity, other big names, Vanguard, all these big companies actually applied to be able to affiliate themselves with the Bitcoin ETF. So as did Ethereum, right? So once the news came about Ethereum having that ETF spot, you had a lot of big companies actually jump in on this. Companies such as Bitwise, Grayscale, Roundhill, and a couple others. So what does that mean for Ethereum, guys? Well, looking at Ethereum as a whole and as a business, it's without a doubt that there have been some massive growth and development within this project. So Ethereum has been one of the most successful blockchains that have been built in the crypto space. And with that being said, it seems like Ethereum has many users. Now, to add to that, we know that people use Ethereum all the time. Now, the only downside that I see to Ethereum is their transaction fees, right? So, but to users, it's like really, people don't want to jump through hoops to try to get their cryptos or anything like that. So using Ethereum, they know they're going to pay these huge fees, but on the flip side, they know they're going to get what they want. So that is very bullish for Ethereum to be in a position where people know that they could go on this blockchain, submit a transaction, and then get exactly what they want, and they know they're going to pay a fee for it. But that's what Ethereum did. They built their system, they built their blockchain so that people can utilize their blockchain and get what they want, and there's a fee for it. It's just like anything else. You pay what you get for, right? You know you're going to get what you want, especially if you use Ethereum. All right, so even considering the fact that Ethereum has these high transaction fees, it's still being utilized by tons and tons of users, and people go to Ethereum because the simplicity of it, right? So no matter what, they're paying, they're getting what they want, and it's very successful. Ethereum has built a very successful business. Now, Ethereum has been really building that tight-knit company because they're basically, and to put it in perspective, they're staying within the realm of what Bitcoin is doing. Like when Bitcoin moves, Ethereum goes. When they advance, Ethereum advances. So if you ask me, it's like almost a head-to-head race. Bitcoin obviously having more value because it's the originator of cryptocurrency. It is one supply and one supply only. That is the upper hand that they have behind Ethereum. Ethereum could limit their supply and cut that down. Then there would be some great gains to be had for Ethereum. That's to say the least. So what I believe will be a driver for Ethereum to easily get to that $10,000 mark would be the blue chip projects that Ethereum has built upon them. There's great projects that Ethereum has built There's decentralized exchange such as Uniswap, and if everybody's been in crypto for a while, you know that Uniswap. I'm pretty sure if you've been in crypto, you've used Uniswap at one point or another. Then they have 1inch, I think a couple others, but these are very successful decentralized exchanges. They also have MakerDAO, which is basically a popular lending platform that's built on top of Ethereum that they could lend money in crypto to other crypto investors if they are short on ends or whatever the case may be. And then also they have Chainlink, which is pretty cool because the way Chainlink works is it's a communicator between on-chain and off-chain trading bots and price prediction bots and stuff like that. So Chainlink has been kind of making a big move up, and I think that Chainlink is going to be also another successful cryptocurrency in this next coming bull run, based on the AI factor and bots and how they operate and stuff like that. So I think that's going to be super important. So with all that being said, these are really important key drivers to Ethereum being truly successful and hitting that $10,000 mark. So what I'm going to take you guys through, guys, real quick, is looking at the market cap, historical data and stuff like that, so we can actually see historically that, you know, obviously Ethereum has been going nothing but up over time and creating these significant higher highs and higher lows. Now the money side of thing, talking about Ethereum, is that, you know, Ethereum came out roughly in 2015, I believe it was, and I think there were about 100 and some million dollars, like 140 million dollars in market cap during their launch. And literally, guys, it only took them a year to get to that $1 billion mark, and cryptocurrency projects struggle to accomplish that, guys. Cryptocurrencies, they struggle. Sorry about this, I gotta stay hydrated, you know, got ice water in the double red solo cup. Excuse me. But anyway, so 1 year into after launch, they got to their $1 billion market cap, which is insane, guys, because I think it takes a lot of projects many years to see that type of gains within a year, especially after launching and being a new project in 2015, especially when crypto is just basically at its beginning stages of development, and we still are at the beginning stages of growth. So basically, to look at the levels of where crypto is that we know that over the past 5, 6, 7 years, crypto has been growth in developing and, you know, building and understanding, so investors can know like what's going on. And guys, we are in a crypto revolution, guys. Its technology is going, and we're moving and advancing. If you guys think that cryptocurrency is not going to be utilized in the future, sorry to break it to you, but it is going to grow, and it's going to grow extensively over the next decade, I believe. And crypto is going to be well known globally. Everybody's going to know about it, just like everybody knows what a $1 bill is. Everybody's going to know what a cryptocurrency token and project are. So, all right, so let's go ahead and jump into the charts of Ethereum, and I'll give you guys my price prediction on an easily attainable price for Ethereum in 2025 bull run, guys. All right, let's jump into these charts. Let's look at Ethereum on the daily. So right now, Ethereum is sitting at $1,626.66. Down about 40.48% on the daily. Market cap sitting at $195 billion. 24-hour volume is $2.6 billion of volume on a daily. Circulating supply is 120,224,407 ETH. Total supply is exactly that number, with a fully diluted market cap of $195.5 billion. All right, so let's look at these charts. Look, what I'm always interested is looking at how healthy this chart is. So if we look at the 7-day, you know, we see some dips and then we see some recovery. Look at the monthly chart, very healthy. We obviously seen a dip, some price up. We know we're in a bear market, and even in a bear market, we would see Ethereum rally up to about $1,736 and down to as low as $1,538 and back up at $1,626. So we are in a very healthy project. If you guys are involved in the Ethereum project, if we look at their yearly charts, guys, this is what I was trying to tell you. So we seen a dip of a low, and this was back in December or November at $1,100. And then from that 1100 we've seen it higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then consolidation phase of $1,600. So we've seen a high of $2,120 going back to April. All right, so Ethereum is an extremely healthy crypto project, guys. There's total stability within the project. So what I was trying to show you guys earlier is Ethereum came out at, and we're going to look at market cap. So market cap came out roughly about 73 million, gradually grew to 1 billion, and I think it took roughly about a year to get to that point. So August would be a year, so September, a little over a year. But what I want to really emphasize, guys, is watching the market cap and how much money has actually flowed into this project. All right, so basically 3 years from launch, it's seen a high of over $100 billion into the project, right? And then fast forward to 2021, we've seen an increasingly amount of market cap of $468 billion. So that's pretty much like 500% from the time of launch to the all-time high. So where we're at, I'm roughly kind of like just trying to figure this out. So we've seen right here, we stabilized at 20 to 40 billion, and then a spike to basically $500 billion, right? And then over $500 billion, and then down into the 200 billion to 100 billion. So the way that I'm looking at it, guys, is that looking at our all-time high price of 4,000, what is it, stable hands, $4,810 to where we're at now, and putting all this into perspective, looking at the market cap, guys, I'm thinking what we're gonna see is basically I'm thinking we're gonna get a market cap high in the next bull run of about 1.1 trillion. That would put us at like a 300 to 400% increase in market cap at the current $220 some billion market cap that we're currently in, which would look like a 6x return, putting Ethereum price at roughly about $10,731. And I believe a 6x return on Ethereum is very highly achievable, and that may be even a little bit modest, guys. So do I think that Ethereum will hit $10,000? Absolutely, guys, and I think it's going to do it without ease. I do believe we may see that $12,000 to $16,000 Ethereum, and yeah, it could be great for many people, especially if you're investing big money into this project. But if you don't have a lot of money to invest, I don't recommend that you go into Ethereum unless you really want a safe play. Investing in Ethereum, I would prefer doing that more riskier projects that could gain you some absolutely more benefit and return on investment. All right, let's jump back into a closing of this video, and then we'll close it out, guys. All right, guys, so closing this out, guys, we know that Ethereum can do easy $10,000 plus. So we're going to go ahead and put all these numbers that I just chatted about on the charts into a little slide so you guys can see what I'm talking about physically, because it always helps to hear it and then see it physically so you guys can put it in your mind, and that's where you're going to target your investment. You guys always got to understand that whenever you think of a target or you think of a plan, you need to write it down, because it does not become live until you transfer it from your head onto a piece of paper. That means you're taking it from a thought and putting it into real life value, guys. That is going to help you guys be successful. All right, guys, so I hope you guys got some value out this. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys aren't already subscribed to Run My Crypto. And again, you guys have a blessed work week. If you guys are out there working, if you guys are out there trading, wish you guys the best of luck. Make massive money, guys, in 2023, 2024, and 2025. I hope we kill it out there, guys, making some money, changing lives, and changing the lives of others. All right, guys, stay blessed, take care, and as always, make sure you guys do safe investments, and make sure you guys plan out your strategies before you just do it. All right, guys, take care.